In the meantime, we've got some young people coming on stage here. They are a family, and they're going to do some 4 songs for you, a cappella style, meaning that they will be singing without accompaniment. And I'll just say a few words as they get on stage now. Come up, make yourselves at home. We're delighted to have these people. Porirua residents, of course. They started singing together as a family. I think the youngest was 5 at the time, and the young man here who will introduce himself halfway through the songs told me they were terrible when they started, which I refuse to believe. But they're obviously very, very good now. I've heard good reports, and of course you probably have seen them before. They not only sing at functions such as this, cultural gatherings such as this, but also at weddings and dances and everywhere else. So would you please put your hands together, please, and welcome these young people from the Congregational Christian Church in Samoa, based in Cannons Creek.
One, two, three. Doom, doom, ba da da doo, 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 doom, ba da da doo,
tell my dear boy, so we lay low. Olo, olo, falena. No, olo, falena. There's pretty trees to wear. There's also plenty birds flying in the sky. But the only one that I love and adore is the girl from Samoa. Tele Africasi. ICVI, hola, upele, hola, la, Samoa, Matumaya, Lotukua, Rete, Lole,